You know how you can learn all the grammar, all the vocabulary, but you still feel like you don't quite sound, well, American? It's because there's this secret rhythm that's hiding in plain sight. And today, we're going to decode that hidden pulse of American English.
So, here's the absolute key. Stop thinking about individual words. Seriously. To sound natural, you've got to start thinking in beats. It's like this musical pulse that carries all the meaning. And I promise you, once you hear it, you can't unhear it.
And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to give you the cheat code, the one simple hack that's going to take your speaking from sounding like a textbook to sounding, well, alive and totally authentic.
So what is this big secret? It's all about the beats. Every single sentence is built on this rhythm of stressed and unstressed sounds, a pattern of loud and quiet, long and short. To really get it, first we need to meet the two types of words that create this whole rhythm.
Okay, first up, we've got the content words. Just think of these as the VIPs, right? They're the stars of the show. They carry all the important meaning. We're talking nouns, main verbs, adjectives. These are the words you say louder, longer, and with a higher pitch. They get all the spotlight.
And then you've got the function words. I love this name for them. Whisper ghosts. They're the grammatical glue, you know? The articles, prepositions, pronouns. They're barely even there. You say I'm super fast, super quiet. They're just there to connect the VIPs.
So how do you actually spot a VIP in the wild versus one of these ghosts? Well, it's a lot easier than you think. Let's check out the lineup.
Look how clear this is when you put them side by side. On the left, you got your VIPs, the words that carry the actual story, like nouns, main verbs, adjectives. Think of a sentence like, the dog wants a big bone. The VIPs tell you everything you need to know. And on the right, the ghosts, articles like the and pronouns, they're just the backstage crew holding everything together.
Okay, so now that we can tell the players apart, it's time to learn the rules of the game. There are just two crucial rules that control this entire rhythm. If you can master these, you've pretty much mastered the sound.
Rule number 1 is super simple. The last content word wins. That's it. In any chunk of speech, that final VIP gets the biggest, strongest stress, and usually the pitch of your voice falls down. This is a huge signal in American English that basically says, okay, I'm done with my thought, your turn.
For example, take the sentence, I really want one. The last content word here is want. One is acting like a pronoun, so it's a ghost. That means all the stress, the beat, lands right on want. You can hear the pitch drop, I really want one.
Here's another perfect example. In turn the radio up, our VIPs are radio and the adverb up. Now, since up is the last one in line, it gets all the stress. Turn the radio up. That final VIP, it takes home the trophy every time.
Now for rule number 2, and honestly, this is my favorite. Contrast equals nuclear stress. This is where all the drama, all the emotion in American English comes from. When you're comparing something or correcting someone, the word you're emphasizing gets, well, it gets blasted into orbit with stress. And this slide says it all, right? You're not just saying a word, you are creating an explosion of meaning. You wouldn't just say, I said chocolate. No way. You'd say, I said chocolate, not vanilla. That word gets a huge burst of energy to make the contrast totally crystal clear. This right here, this is the magic spice. All right, enough theory. The only way to really get this is to feel it yourself. So for this next part, I really want you to say these sentences out loud with me. Don't be shy, let's actually put this into practice. Okay, first one up. Take a look at this and try saying it out loud. Go on, I'll give you a second. Okay, did you feel it? The main beats here are on the negative, don't, and the final content word, work. So it should sound like this. I really don't want to go to work today. It's got a rhythm, right? Da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da. Next, this one is all about pure, dramatic emphasis. Give it a shot. To really sell this, you've got to hit best and ever with everything you've got, like this. This is the best pizza I've ever had. You can feel the emotion just in that stress.
Now let's mix the rules together. You can see we're making a choice, a correction. So how would you say this out loud?
Exactly! You use that nuclear stress from rule number 2. We're going to the beach, not the mall. You're correcting the record so both of those places get a ton of energy.
Okay, you've learned the word types, you've learned the rules, you've even practiced. Now it is time for the final challenge. Let's see if you can put it all together for what we're calling the final boss sentence.
Just take a look at this thing. It looks terrifying, right? It's long, it's rambling, it's basically peak conversational American English. But don't worry, this whole monster of a sentence is really just a simple series of beats. There's a hidden path right through it.
And here it is. Here's your cheat sheet. These are the only words that actually matter. These are your stepping stones, the beats you have to hit. Let's just say the beats themselves to feel the rhythm. Can't, now, daughter, married, Vegas, next week, know the guy, whatever, you're mad. See? It's just a song. So now let's try the whole thing. I'll say it, you say it with me. Just focus on jumping from one beat to the next and let all those other little words just blur together. Ready? I literally can't even right now because my daughter just told me she's getting married in Vegas next week and I don't even know the guy, but whatever. I'm not mad, you're mad.
And hey, if you nailed that final falling tone on mad, then seriously, congratulations. You've officially cracked the code. You've gone beyond just speaking the words. You've started speaking the music behind them. And that is a huge, huge step.
So here's the big takeaway. Stop listening for just the words. Start listening for the beats. Emphasize those VIPs, let the ghosts just whisper, and please, do not be afraid to get a little dramatic with your stress. So go out there and have fun with it. Your life is a reality show.